So here's how to use Ask AI. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your Ask AI account. After that, you will be able to view this interface. Here you have to simply click on the Let's Go option, then hit on the next. After that, again hit on the next and hit on the next, and then click on the continue option. On Ask AI, you can ask any type of questions. It will generate you the answers for your question. Even you can ask to write applications, essay or any academic questions here. For this, you have to simply give the command or enter your command here. Its interface is just like ChatGPT. If you are familiar with ChatGPT, then you can easily use it. After entering your prompt here, you have to click on the send option. Then you have to wait for the time until it's generating the results. Here, as you can see, it started to generate an essay for me. You can simply copy this essay and use it for the informational purpose. Ask AI is a modern AI search engine where you can type any of your queries and it will generate you answers in seconds. So that's how to use Ask AI.